So as my wife and I looked at building a new home, we were familiar with Forever Barnwood from things that my brother had installed in a house that he's got. So we opted to go with the Forever Barnwood oak floor product. To make everything blend together, we'd go with the doors. We also did all of our baseboard and trim work with Forever Barnwood. Being local, we were able to go right down to the shop and check things out there along with what they've got online. We were able to come up with what we wanted and what would work for us quite easily. We knew Forever Barnwood was a very high quality product with a great deal of consistency over what you would get with actual reclaimed wood. When my wife and I first walked into the home, when it was completely done, after the baseboard and the trim work and the doors were all up, it's like, wow, this is the Rustic we were looking for, and we are extremely happy. So if you're looking for a new build or reconstruction on an existing home, we feel like Forever Barnwood was a great option to go with. Consistent product, high quality, people are great to work with. I would highly recommend Forever Barnwood to any of my family or friends.